Hey guys, if you just got this update available, trying to open up Fortnite, well, the way to go is to fully close Fortnite. It's the first thing you have to do. Then check for any updates. However, right now it's end of season. So right this second, we can't play the game anyways. It's cooldown. There's a cooldown for 5 hours until they update the servers. So at this point in time, there's no additional update that you guys can do. You're just going to be stuck here. It's going to tell you please restart Fortnite to download the latest patch. No matter what you do, don't delete Fortnite, okay? There's no need to do that. A lot of people do that. I know it doesn't matter. You guys can you're not going to lose your skins because you do that. Everything's online anyways. But all you guys have to really do is just close Fortnite and open it up again. And that's it. Check for updates, obviously. But once the cooldown's over and the servers are back running, then you should be able to get into the game. Other than that, all we can do is just wait.